Hello EOS community, today we will show you how to get Rex. So before you start, what is Rex? So you get rewards sent straight to your account, your tokens are still in EOS, and you are still lending it to the EOS network. Your tokens are still in EOS and you are lending it to Rex. Your unused EOS will be safely lent to the EOS chain and to other DApps and users. You don't trust any third party as this is a system contract, and you have no lock-in period except for the 3 days at the beginning. So you can get risk-free rewards with a single click. Now I will show you how to do this. Coin.rex. Now your account may be added or it may not be added. If you've gone through the lost key process, it will automatically be there. So you'll allow permissions on scatter and you log in for your Safari. Yeah, and we are going to get the maximum amount of Rex because we want to keep our token secure and lend our resources to the wider EOS community and network. Remember to whitelist EOS Authority to help speed up transactions. Transaction is now a success. As you can see, we have the EOS Authority alert come through. Thank you very much. You can also maintain your account security by separating your keys. Will put links to all of this in the comments. Please let me know. Thank you. And now that we have covered the way to use Rex, let us know if there are any questions. Let me know on EOS Authority Support. That's my direct channel on Telegram, and also contact the EOS Authority community channel. I will put all the links in the posts. Thank you.